Hey y'all. Welcome back. Today, look at this. So today I'm gonna be using the Moon Spell palette from Beauty Bay. They dropped this during Halloween. This is I've been playing a lot with this palette, but the shadows I use today are going to be Enchanted, and then Sorcery, which is this purple, and then the darker purple is Voodoo. And then I'm going to dip into Alchemy and then Moonlight. Alright, so let's get started. But before we do, don't forget, if you're new here, to like this video and subscribe or comment. No, not or, and comment. It really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm and stuff. And, you know, you get to see more snatched bomb content here. Just kidding. And also today I'm going to use, I picked up NYX Professional Makeup, their Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I used it a little bit, as you can tell, like the other day, and then I used it again today. Because I don't like judging a foundation on its first use, because last time I did that, I ended up liking the foundation after, so. Let's see how this goes. It says it's 24-hour matte finish, you know, okay. But yeah, so yeah, let's get started. All right, so I already primed my eyes with some concealer because, you know, I did it for my eyebrows. I've been practicing my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna take this pointy brush and go in with the pink shade of the palette. It's not gonna really show up on my skin tone right now. You gotta like pack it if you want it. But the shade is called Enchanted. And we're just gonna go and pat it on a little above my crease, and then wing it out, and then bring it back in towards the inner tear duct to get like this winged look. It's also gonna give the illusion of me having bigger eyes. And then we're gonna connect it down towards my eyelid. You can see the shape forming, and then we're gonna take this crease fluffy blending brush and then pack Sorcery on in there, tapping it and then blending it out towards the inner tear duct as well. Excuse me. Kind of getting like this little fadeaway effect. And then we're gonna go ahead and take a different brush. I forgot the name of this brush. It's a Morphe brush though, and we're gonna take Voodoo and just darken up the outer portion of our eye and our eyelid. And then we're just gonna pat it on, and then we can blend it. You can blend however you want, but the way I do it is I'm just gonna pack it and then make sure it blends well with the other purple. And it's okay if you get like some of the other purple eyeshadow on your eyelid, because we're gonna cover it up anyways with this beautiful motherfucking full shade, which is coming up right mother now. Well, not now, but you know. So anyways, I wet a packer brush and then I dipped into the shade Alchemy. It's this beautiful golden, like just shimmering. It's just beautiful. Look at it. You can let it speak for itself. The way it shines with these shades, like the shimmery types of shades, if you guys want it to pop like that, excuse me, in shade, and if you guys want it to pop like that and show out like that, then you're gonna want to wet that brush and just go ahead and pack it all over the eye. Pat it, just do pat, and then kind of like mix it in with the darker color. All right, now for foundation, NYX, I already told you earlier, and then my go-to e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. For foundation, I'm using the shade Golden. And then this, of course, is the Poreless Putty Primer, e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty Primer. It's really good and affordable. So if you need a good primer, use that primer because it's good. And then I'm just going ahead and blending out the foundation after I've already used the primer. Make sure you get everywhere. Make sure you blend it down to your neck. and also get your ears, because you don't want to be looking two different colors or whatever unless you want to, but you know. And then I also had some NYX concealer. This one, I know they have two different ones, unless they're two different sizes that I got, but, or yeah, I don't know. I have to double check. But this one's in the shade beige, just lighten up the under eyes just a little bit. Recently I've been loving like a good natural type of concealer, because my shade is out and they just restocked, but I'm waiting for Black Friday so I can get that shit again. And then here I'm just finding my cheeks to contour, because you know, if you're a big girl, your whole face is a cheek. And then we're just gonna blend it out. I like to blend it up to lift my face since I have a round face. And then it's also gonna add some color, and then under my chin as well to hide that double chin, and then the jawline as well to give you like a little chiseled look down there. We're just gonna blend it out, and yeah, bam, got some color on my face. And then we're just gonna set the contour, and then I was like, I don't know, it's kind of dark, so I just went ahead and this translucent setting powder is gonna kind of lighten it up a little bit. And then just take a pointer brush and then we're gonna contour my nose. And okay, and with the power of editing, bam, a snatched nose, a skinty nose. And then we're gonna use the Mood Prism blush palette, and yeah, that'll be it.